Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this channel. It's your boy Sammy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I do with stocks. Okay, this video is basically dedicated to traders that are actually looking forward to trade the stock market, or traders that are actually into trading stocks but are looking for other profitable strategy to use. So I'm going to be showing you what I actually do. I'm fully a forex trader, but what I like to do is trade gold most times. But I can actually trade any market. I decided to trade stocks for now because there has not been any opportunity in currency pairs and also in the gold. So gold is actually stuck in a particular zone, but I decided to look for more opportunities in the stock market. This particular pair is a stock is actually US 30 100. So I'm going to be showing you what I do. Okay, this was actually one of the part of the what's it called, part of the market that actually took my money. Okay, while I was trading newly, I loved it, but as beginners it didn't work out. So what I'm going to be showing you is this pair. So as you can see here, we are actually bullish, right? We're actually bullish. So what we should be doing is looking for opportunities to trade the market in the bullish zone. Now there's a big mistake that I always did, and I believe every beginner trader is actually gonna understand what I'm saying now. I actually want to look for opportunities in the lower time frame, but I want to look for an opposite direction. The higher time frame here from the daily shows that we are bullish, so we're looking for opportunities in the lower time frame in the bullish what scenario. So we shouldn't be looking for opportunities to sell, even if they present themselves. We should be looking for opportunities to buy because why? The higher time frame is actually bullish. That is where we get our wins from. Now, one of the mistakes that I made as a beginner was I actually want to look for opportunities to sell. Even if the market creates opportunity for me to sell, I always want to get in. Okay, I always want to get in rather than looking for the market that is moving in the direction of the trend. So I'm going to be showing you how you can possibly trade with this strategy that I'm about to show you. So bear in mind, you can actually trade the stock market, forex market, any market of your choice with this strategy I'm about to show you. It's a trading system. Okay, so now first of all, before we dive into the chart fully, let me actually analyze something. When I was trading, I believe that when I come into the market, I should be looking for opportunities to click the buy buttons so I can buy, or click the sell button, whichever the market places before me. So I didn't know that professionals actually come into the market. They come with the mindset of what they know during the course of their research that the market respects, which is their trading system. It's actually called trading system or trading pattern. So I didn't know. So what I do is I always want to come into the market to look opportunity to buy when I see a candlestick that is moving in my direction. So I always want to buy or sell. Guys, that was where I was making 95% of my losses from. 95% of my losses. So let's dive right in. This is something that I believe that every trader can actually trade. It is pretty much advanced. Let's start from the daily. So we have this here. Let's analyze from here. So it's cool, still fine. This is the breakup structure. Market went up. This is the last swing high, and it came back to the last swing low here to buy, and it went up to break another structure, came back down. Now this did not come here, so that means the market is still going to be coming back down here before going back up. Okay, So what we should be doing is still look for opportunities to buy. That is what I like to do. Like I learned this strategy from Rena. Rena said something. So though the market might be in a phase that it seems as if it wants to reverse, it doesn't mean you should start selling immediately. My mentor equally makes something clear on that also. That was the mistake that I made. That when the market is doing something here, I think this market is about to sell, so I should be looking for opportunities to sell. Well, my advice is stay with the trend. What's the trend? The trend is bullish, right? So if the market comes here and still giving you some funny moves, I will advise, even if you're going down to the lower time frame, you should still be looking for opportunities to buy rather than selling. Okay, that's what I'm about to make it clear up to you in this video. So we have this as a break of structure, we have this as a break of structure, and these are accumulation phase, distribution phase rather. So we had this accumulation phase and this advancing stage, and then this final stage is what, distribution, expecting a declining stage before going back up. So now that we know what the market is doing, it's very simple and it's very clear. Let's go down to 4 hours. It confirms what has been happening. Okay, so I want to show you how you can be profitable in this accumulation phase, distribution phase, that is like this. All of this seems like nothing is going on, but whereas if you look closely, something is actually going on. Okay, something's actually going on here, and that's what I'm about to walk you down in this video. So we have this. I'm going to be showing just few things that I like to use to trade. Good. Now you see the picture is becoming clearer by the time we go down to the lower time frame. So let's get straight up. This is the 5 minutes, right? Good. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be drawing everything that I need to do in the 5 minutes. Okay, good. This is what I'm going to be doing. First of all, I'll identify what the price is doing. Don't forget we are actually in accumulation phase, right? So this is it. This is a break of structure here. So what price is expected to do is to give a double bottom here and then come back here in the future. Let's zoom that closely so we can understand. Take this out. Okay, so we have this, we're expecting price to come here, which it did and actually dropped. Now but me, I like to do something else. It's something I like to do. I like to spot out this last order block here. I'm going to be taking you down to the 1 minute and show you what I do. Okay, since I know this is valid, what I do is in this 5 minutes I'll just spot out an order block, and this order block is what I'm going to be using here, here. Okay, now I'll show you why, but it has to be in the, what's it called, in the 1 minute. It has to be in the 1 minute. This is a break of structure. Now anybody selling here is not wrong. Anybody selling here at this trend line when the market came back down back here is not actually wrong. But for me, like I said, I like to stay with the trend. So what I'll be doing is I'll be looking for opportunities to buy rather than to sell. So what I'll be doing, I'm going to be marking out 2 order block. If you have been following me up on my YouTube channel, you always notice that I say something like this. Okay, I always mention something like the last swing high, sorry, the last swing high and the last swing low. Now whatever is going on here is not my business. Whatever is going on here is not my business. So I just focus on this last swing low and this last swing high. Now what we're going to be doing, we'll map out this last swing low here, this one here. Good. Now what we are saying is if price should come up here, if price should come up here in the future and break above it, we will say that there's a break of structure, then we should be looking for opportunity for it to come back down here and see what happened. But in this scenario, the price did not actually go here. It actually came to this other block. Now I'm going to be showing you in the 1 minute time frame. See how we're analyzing time frames just to get what we want. Let's see if we can fetch it out. 1 minute time frame. Okay, I think we have it here. Okay, now this is it. Let me zoom it far. Okay, this is it. See the other block that I talked about, the last swing high and the last swing low. Now this is what I do. What I do is, now if you look closely and you have been following my strategy, you will notice something here. There's a break of structure here. A break of structure. Don't forget you are following the market trend. A break of structure here. There's a break of structure here, and there's a liquidity zone here price has created. And what do we have here? We can equally call this a break of structure too. Let me zoom it closely. Okay, so what did price do? Remember I talked about the last swing low. After this was taken out, after this low was created, what did price do? It created another low here, but this time around it came back down to this place. Now remember the last swing low that we talked about. Let's go back and see it. This is it here. This is it here. This is it here. So price actually came back to it. And what kind of entry trigger did he give to us? He gave us a reversal. This is a hammer. A reversal candle here. He gave us a reversal candle here for us to write price up. Now where should be our target? Our target is going to be this other block here, the one that swing high that led to the move down. This is it. This is a very simple strategy and an easy concept. So we target here on the trade. Okay, now this strategy actually works, but I'll need you guys to do something. You need to back test it up to a minimum of 100 times, okay, for you to be sure that it works. Now the reason why you back test is actually for you to master what you're being taught. So I recommend my YouTube videos most of the time for traders to back test it. Back testing is actually a work, no doubt, but it's actually gainful in the long run. Okay, this is a concept I've actually been trading. Now what happened? This was it. The price came here, but whereas in the 4 hours time frame, in the 4 hours time frame, this was, there was nothing there. There was nothing valuable there, but we got an entry in the lower time frame. So that is what I do, guys, in sticking with my market trend. Okay, I stay with the market flow, and I understand what the market is doing, and I understand the particular phase. Now I created a video. And the video is about the 4 stages of the market. You need to understand the current stage of the market. This market is actually in a distribution stage, and we're expecting it to get to the declining stage. We talked about the first stage. The first stage is actually price in an accumulation phase, where it's giving us no particular direction. Price then breaks up, retraces, and start going to an advancing stage, where it start giving us a higher high and higher lows. It then gets to a distribution phase, which it is now. Then it comes back down, declining stage, before it finally moves back to an accumulation stage again. Okay, I created a video about it. It's going to be in the description of this video. You can actually gain access to it. That 4 stages of the market, once you have a clear understanding of what the market is actually, the phase in which the market is, you're going to be able to trade profitably. Okay, don't forget to subscribe this video, share, and also comment in the section below. Thank you.